In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex in Pepperstone. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to launch up their web trader. If you don't know how to do this, once you are in their dashboard over here, click on Launch Web Trader and then sign in, and you'll be directed over here to their web trader. And then here to actually start trading, go ahead and here where you can see the chart, click on where it says symbol, type in whatever you want to start trading, like USD, for example. And then here you have the Forex exotics, Forex majors, and then Forex minors as well. And as you can see, you can go ahead and select whatever you want to trade. So let's say for this instance, we're just going to do, I don't know, let's do the first one. So USD versus Brazilian real. So I'm going to click on that. There we go. It's going to basically pop up. And then to trade this, you have to first select how much you would actually like to do. So either from the list, or of course you can just type it in yourself. Like I'm going to do 0.02. And then you can just go ahead and either sell or buy by clicking over here. Then you have to confirm and send the order. And just like that, your order will be filled and you will be able to see it down here inside your positions. So that's how to trade Forex in Pepperstone. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.